Like the India should be cleaned up, and it should in future I would like the India like a beauty, and no violence, and also the corruption, like the corruption is too high over here, it should be low down.
I see the future as a more peaceful place where everyone is tolerant of other cultures and thoughts, schools of thought.
Hi, my name is Priya. I don't want marriage early for girls.
Everybody has their own shelter, even though it's small.
I want a sustainable world in the future.
The world I want for my future is no child should sleep hungry and no more families should live on the streets.
Change the world, come with me. Time to let our dreams fly free. And it comes so easily that survive in the Girl Scouts. Together we change the world.
Why are we making a noise? Our future matters.
We all live Girl Scouts are our family, and they show us what we can be. And I believe together we change the world. Change